Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix MECCHA Chameleon error failed due to invalid or missing authentication token for user on PC. So if you're getting this error in MECCHA Chameleon game, failed due to invalid or missing authentication token for user, for example not logged in, then here follow the fixes very carefully. Fix 1 is to restart game, Steam or restart your PC. So simply close the MECCHA Chameleon game and then launch it and then check. If that doesn't work, then restart Steam. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit Steam. Also make sure that Steam is closed from here. And after exiting the Steam, then you can go ahead, relaunch Steam and then launch the MECCHA Chameleon game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to sync your Windows date and time. So right click the date and time display in the bottom right corner of your desktop taskbar. Select adjust date and time from the context menu. Toggle the switches on for both set time automatically and set time zone automatically. Now scroll down to the additional settings and then click on sync now button, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If an error occurs, click sync now multiple times until a check mark appears. So right click on this date and time and then click on adjust date and time. Now make sure set time zone automatically is turned on. In my case it is turned off, so you have to turn it on. Also make sure that set time automatically is turned on. If it is turned off, then turn it on. Then go to language and region and make sure correct country or region is selected. Then go back, then scroll down. Under additional settings you can see sync now option. Click on sync now and make sure tick mark is shown over here. If an error occurs, click on sync now multiple times until a check mark appears. So if you get any kind of error, then click on sync now multiple times, and when this get ticked mark, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to restart after updates. Now if a patch or hotfix landed today for the MECCHA Chameleon game, then you have to restart after the update. So simply restart Steam and then check. So after the game updates, both host and friends has to close the game and then retry from a fresh room. Fix 4 is to log out and log in back. So manually log out from your Steam or gaming account, then restart your PC and then log back in to force a total credential reset. So log out from Steam and then log in back and then check. Or you can also log out from your game and then log in back and check. Fix 5 is to power cycle equipment. So shut down your PC, unplug your internet router for 30 seconds, plug it back in and reboot your computer. So just turn off your Wi-Fi router or modem, wait for 1 to 2 minutes and then restart your Wi-Fi router or modem, reconnect it and then launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to test an alternate network. So you can connect your computer to a mobile hotspot or switch from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection to rule out local network blocking and then check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to verify the game versions. Now check the store page or launcher properties to ensure your game is fully updated, as mismatched version will reject security token. And you have to make sure that you and your friends are having the same game versions. Fix 8 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on MECCHA Chameleon game. This is just an example I am showing with another game. So you have to right click on MECCHA Chameleon game and then click on properties. Then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to try VPN. Now this fix has also solved the issue for many players, so you can try this. You can connect to a VPN such as Proton VPN, NordVPN, Kaspersky VPN, Cloudflare VPN or any other VPN. So just launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Fix 10, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app to control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C try program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, MECCHA Chameleon game folder, and then select this Penguin Hotel exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and this time open Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding both the exe files to the list, go back, then click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, then click on change settings, then click on allow another app and then click on browse. and then browse to the game installation folder. So again browse to C drive, program files, x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, open the MECCHA CHAMELEON game folder, select Penguin Hotel exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. Again click on allow another app, click on browse and this time open Chameleon folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Penguin Hotel Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add to add it to the list. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark for the MECCHA CHAMELEON game. This is just an example, and then click on OK to save changes and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, ABG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can launch the game and check. Or you can also turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 11 is to change DNS server. So in Windows search type control panel and open the control panel. Under network and internet, click on view network status and task. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi or internet and then click on properties. Then select internet protocol version 4 and then click on properties. Now select this option, use the following DNS server addresses and in preferred DNS server type 8.8.8.8 and in alternate DNS server type 8.8.4.4 and then hit on OK, close it and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix tool is to reset internet connection. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator, click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one. So copy this code and paste it over here and then hit enter. I will provide this code in my video description so you can easily copy and paste from there. Paste it over here and hit enter. Copy the third code, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy the last code, paste it over here, hit enter. Here you will see you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So here type EXIT and then hit on enter to close the command prompt and then restart your PC. It is a must. Don't forget to restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix setting is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, so kindly install and update it and then just restart your PC. And after a PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve fail due to invalid or missing authentication token for users, example not logged in MECCHA CHAMELEON game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.